In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate penalty amount by overdue months and days in Excel. If you need to work out a late payment charge or any kind of penalty based on how many full months and extra days have passed, Excel can make the calculation fast and accurate. In this tutorial, we'll create a simple formula that calculates the total penalty using a start date, an end date, a monthly rate, and a daily rate. To begin, open Excel and go to a blank worksheet or the sheet where you want to do the calculation. Make sure your table is set up clearly so the formula is easy to follow and easy to reuse later. Next, enter your data into the worksheet. You'll want to have the overdue start date in one cell, the end date in another cell, the penalty amount charged per month in a third cell, and the penalty amount charged per day in a fourth cell. In this example, the formula will use cells A2, B2, C2, and D2. So A2 should contain the first date, B2 the second date, C2 the monthly penalty rate, and D2 the daily penalty rate. It's a good idea to make sure your date cells are formatted as actual dates, not plain text, so Excel can calculate the difference correctly. Once your data is in place, you're ready to calculate the total penalty. The goal here is to calculate the number of complete months between the two dates, multiply that by the monthly penalty, then calculate the remaining days and multiply those by the daily penalty. After that, Excel adds both amounts together to give you the total. Now select an empty cell where you want the result to appear. This could be in the same row as your data, so everything stays organized. In that empty cell, type this formula exactly as shown, equals open parenthesis, dated if, open parenthesis, A2, comma, B2, comma, quote, M, quote, close parenthesis, multiply, C2, close parenthesis, plus open parenthesis, dated if, open parenthesis, A2, comma, B2, comma, quote, MD, quote, close parenthesis, multiply D2, close parenthesis. Written normally, the formula is equals open parenthesis, dated if, A2, B2, M, close parenthesis times C2 plus open parenthesis, date DIF, A2, B2, MD, close parenthesis times D2. After entering the formula, press Enter. Excel will immediately return the total penalty amount based on the overdue months and leftover days. If needed, you can copy this formula down the column to calculate penalties for additional rows. Just make sure each row follows the same structure. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.